Good afternoon, Maribel.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Please introduce yourself.
I'm Maribel Talipan, 29 years of age. I'm married. I have one daughter. And I finished 2-year course, major in computer secretariat.
You have a domestic helper experience.
Yes, ma'am. In
How
the
many
Philippines.
members have you served?
4.
4 members. How many adults?
2.
And
2 children.
Are the couples working?
Yes, ma'am.
So, what do you do in your employer's house?
I'm cleaning,
And
care the babies, and washing your clothes.
you have cared a newly born baby?
Yes, ma'am.
7
months.
7-month-old, and the other kid.
Yes, ma'am.
How old is the other kid?
6 years.
6 years old. So you're the only maid in your employer's house?
Yes, ma'am.
How do you manage taking care of a 7-month-old baby while the 6-year-old child is awake?
I care the babies
What if the 6-year-old baby child wants to play and the 7-month-old is awake?
I play that 6 years old, and I care the baby the 7 months.
You're cuddling the baby while the 6 years old is playing like that?
Yes, ma'am.
Aside from taking care of the newly born baby and the other child, you still have time to cook?
Yes, when I sleeping the baby, I cook, I clean the house.
Do you do laundry by hand?
Yes.
How many times a day do you do laundry?
2.
2 times a week.
Yes, ma'am.
This will be your first time to be employed abroad.
Yes,
Are
ma'am.
you going to cope up with your homesickness?
I go up in sickness to make myself busy in my work.
Are you willing to cut your hair short?
Yes, ma'am.
What if your employer cannot provide you a Sunday off but on weekdays? Is that okay with you?
Yes, ma'am.
Any message for future employers?
To sir and ma'am, I hope you give me a chance to serve your family, and I promise I'm hardworking, honest, and loyal.
That's all, Maribel.
Thank you.